This is the drop test.
When you transport valuable gear, the outer case is only half the battle. What causes damage happens inside the case. Shock, vibration, and equipment shifting. KOR is designed to solve all three.
So as you can see, we dropped that vertically. But because we use the KOR Protection System, everything stays in its place because we offer superior retention than traditional foam. My pistol's still exactly where it was. Optics work. Magazines have not moved or shifted vertically or laterally at all. And in the base of the double panel, your primary weapon system is still fully intact and all the optics are protected.
The KOR Protection System is a reusable packing solution that uses vacuum-rigidizing panels to mold around your gear and lock it in place for transport. Rugged and reliable, KOR panels passed all MIL 810H testing for temperature, altitude, shock, and vibration, and are resistant to contaminants such as dust, sand, moisture, and oil. Our goal is simple: encapsulate the asset, control movement, and absorb shock and vibration. That is KOR. Watch the next video in this series, or watch the main demo for the full walkthrough, and click the circle to subscribe.